Welcome to How To with J&A. Today we're making soda bread, or Irish soda bread as it's also known. Here is a list of the ingredients which you'll need for this recipe. So we're starting off by adding the plain flour. That's 250 grams or 9 ounces of plain flour and 250 grams or 9 ounces of whole wheat plain flour. And because we're baking, we're going to use our measuring spoons to make sure it's really precise. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of table salt. And then we're also adding 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. And then you just want to stir all this together just to incorporate everything together, all your dry ingredients. So just give this a light mix. Now we're going to add in the buttermilk. That's 420 millilitres of buttermilk. And you just want to start stirring this together. So this dough is very different from bread dough. It's more like a scone mixture. Just going to add in the rest and mix it all together in the bowl. And then once you've given it a really good stir round and all your ingredients is mixed together, then you want to tip it out onto a floured surface. So just scrape this back. As you can see, it's quite a wet mixture. It's not like bread dough. So I'm just using some more plain flour. Just going to put some on top just to make sure that it doesn't stick, and then put some on the surface. So the advantage of making this bread, apart from the fact it tastes fantastic, is that you don't have to knead it for a long time. Regular bread is kneaded for 10 minutes. This just needs about a minute just to make sure that everything is mixed together. So you just want to give it a light squashing together, good technical term, and you just mix it together just like this, and then you want to just start shaping it into a nice bread shape, a nice circle. So you just sort of tuck it under, and then you've got the lovely bread shape. And then you just want to dust it with some flour, just the regular plain flour. And then now you want to score the top. It has a lovely cross on the top traditionally. Now you don't have to cut as deep as I've cut here. I quite like it cut deep, and then you got a lovely big cross, and the bread sort of puffs up and you get a lovely cross. But you can give it a lighter score and your bread won't have such a deep shape in the top. So that is it ready for the oven, and it goes into an oven at 200 degrees, and that goes in for 30 minutes, and you get this wonderful bread at the end. So it's quite a different bread. It's got quite close texture and it tastes really, really good. It's lovely with cheese. We had it with cheese and some grapes for lunch, and it really was a lovely bread. If you haven't joined our homemade recipes group on Facebook, please come along and join us today. So thanks again for watching today, and I really hope that you can give us a thumbs up and like on this video, as well as subscribing to get notifications of new videos. And you can also become a Patreon if you want to support us in our work, and there's information on how to do that below. So thanks again. Bye.